Ghost of the mountains. That's what basically everyone refers to the snow leopard as. Our team at Voygr has seen them in multiple countries, over multiple decades, and thousands of times. Let me show you how we find them.
There is 10 to 12 snow leopard in this area. It is really difficult to see it because they are well camouflaged. We need our best equipment and best spotter to spot this.
We have one of the best tracking teams on the planet. We've got 7 trackers working continuously, 6 months a year, November through April. Snow leopard tracking is a game of patience and skill. You need trackers with incredibly sharp eyes. Ours are also then equipped with the very best optics, Swarovski BTX scopes with 2 eyepieces that really help you track all day.
When the snow leopard tourism was started in Ladakh, and then people are saying like, who will show snow leopard to the guest? It is next to impossible. But till now we have 100% success rate showing the snow leopard to our guest.
One of the best ways to track snow leopards is to deploy tracking teams on multiple sides of a mountain. So when a snow leopard is found but maybe is on the top of a ridge and it goes behind, we often have a tracking team that picks that snow leopard up almost immediately when it crosses over.
Most of the time when we're scanning, we look for skyline, ridge line, the valleys. Most of the time the snow leopard, they kills in the valleys. You are focusing every part of the rock, and it's sometimes I feel like it's a meditation.
And then I thought that might be somewhere a snow leopard, behind the rocks and whatever. And then I just keep looking. After 1 hour, I was scanning that direction, and then the snow leopard came out. So
I've seen tears in eyes of so many guests after their first snow leopard, but when they see a cub, when they see cubs play, it's an incredibly amazing feeling to be able to share any sighting with guests who have traveled across the world to see it. Conservation is really at the heart of every snow leopard expedition Voygr runs. Simply by being here, you're adding to our ability to protect this landscape better. You're adding to more jobs in this landscape that are snow leopard friendly. If you enjoy being in the mountains, if you like being outdoors, and if that quest for one of the most elusive animals on the planet sounds like it's right up your alley, get in touch with us at Voygr Expeditions and we'd be delighted to plan your trip for you.